we're back. Let's try this 7 KYU challenge here at CodeWars. This is part of the Coding Meetup series. This is number 12, higher order function series. Find GitHub admins. All right, so we're given this array of objects about developers who have signed up to attend the next meetup. So I'm just going to get the testing set up here. Write a function that when executed as find admin, take in this list, and it's specifying language. Okay, so basically we got to sort through this list, and if there's no GitHub admin developers in a language, then return an empty array. The original order should be preserved. The input array will. Okay, that's either going to be yes or no with lowercase. Okay, so basically with the test cases, might change per the language. Okay, let's see, list language. Yeah, okay, got it. All right, let's just set it up here, and then we'll find the admin here. Oh, what happened there? And then let's just test it with JavaScript. Yeah, there's JavaScript in this test. Okay. Okay, so we know we're gonna have to through this list. Let's just if we can do this comprehension in it, so we can kind of what are we returns only the developers. Okay, I guess we want to return a list, maybe a list of dictionaries. So like okay, so like we return like x for x in list if x programmer language. If x of language is equal to lang, which is right here, x for x if list. Okay, so if the language is that, and then we got to make it a conditional, right? Because we want to say like and GitHub admin. So and x, right? Is that right? GitHub admin equals yes. Notice it's an upper lowercase yes. What does this return? So this is returning Harry, and it's returning Jing. JavaScript. Okay, let's just change it so like this one. So it should only show one. Yeah. Okay. I think this is the right code. Okay. So let's just copy that there. Sorry, guys. Forgot to cue up the music here. Yeah, it passed. That was it. So let's just take a closer look at this. Taking in two parameters, the list, and then specifying a language. We're returning a list comprehension, or in other words, a list, and we're using a list comprehension. So we're looping through list, x for x in list, and we're returning one of these actual items, right? Like x in list if this is the conditional here, if language equals this language that specifies, right? Testing for quality, and the GitHub admin is a yes. So if those two conditions are true, so we're using and, then true print it into this list, or add it to this list, I should say, and then we're just going to return that. So let's submit it. That was pretty easy. Yep, I for I, and list, if I language, yeah, it's exactly what we did. So yeah, so that was pretty easy. Clever, I guess. Okay, so that was, yeah, we're, I guess, satisfied, right? So I guess there's a few different ways to do it. We can kind of iterate through and do a conditional. If that's true, then add it or appending it to this list that we initialized right here, and returning that list. So basically all of this right here, we just did it in one line right here with this list comprehension. So that's kind of cool with Python. There's a lot of one-liners that you can do. Then of course, here's your lambda function. Okay. This is basically the same thing, just kind of spaced differently. Cool. So that was easy. Good deal. All right, we'll see you guys next time.